Morning, guys. Excuse me. Very good morning, fellas. Thursday, August 10th. Yeah, burn one to earn one. That's right. Dennis, Anthony, Albert, fellas, guys, good morning. Very good morning to you. Today, of course, is CPI. Tomorrow is PPI. Good morning, Deepak. Sound check, fellas. No audio. Here we go again. Sound check.
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an organizer and may now speak to any other organizers or panelists on the line. When you are ready to begin the presentation, press the Start Broadcast button on the GoToWebinar control panel to allow all attendees to hear you. This system will notify you once you begin your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen only.
Today is Thursday, August 10th. It is CPI day. Obviously, if you guys are running bots, they should not be on. We will not do any trades until after CPI at 8:30. The expected numbers should be on the site, my news service, right around 8:15. But I think the expected is somewhere, the consensus is between 3.1 and 3.3. What we're interested in, of course, most interested in will be core CPI. Okay. And then, of course, we'll go through charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance or risk. All right, fellas, couple things. Let's see here. One, I ran the original bot overnight, 1565 up. It has been off all morning. It's had a few more winning trades. Once again, those are the settings that if anybody would like them, you need to email me for those. They're not in the member area. I'll get them there at some point, but I have offered them to each and every one of you that have the original bot. For those of you that do not have the original bot, good morning, Marco. Good morning, Patrick. For those of you that do not have the original bot, and maybe you have the new trend bot, that is, right? I will, yesterday that bot did over $4,000. Those settings did over $4,000. For those of you guys that have the trend bot, the new trend bot, if you'd like the settings, I will gladly give you the settings which can be replicated on the trend bot. I did run them overnight from 6 p.m. on, and then shut it off this morning when I got up around 4:45. Markets were fairly quiet, but they would have had a few more winning trades. Yesterday, again, it did over $4,000. For those of you guys that have the trend bot, you can duplicate those same settings in the trend bot. Now, the beauty of the trend bot, opposed to the original bot, the trend bot allows you to have settings that you're not going to get in the original bot. So for instance, you have a high watermark and a percentage pullback, right? Thereby eliminating a potential full stop out. Additionally, you have a trade goal. There are aspects to the trend bot which we don't have in the original bot. Okay? So if you have the trend bot and you want the same settings, what do? Send me an email. All right, let's take a look at charts. Yeah, flatten that goal is awesome. Anybody recall what I said? I think I said 358. Somebody want to tell me where it went? 357.25. Should have held that ES. You rat. All right, fellas. Let's take a look now. SPY currently up $3.60 pre-market. Q's up $3.95. For those of you that care, Disney up $1.60. All right. Retracement here. Let them sell it. They got longs trapped. Trendbot just added another contract. Has 3 on. Canceled it on the pullback. Small loss. We shall see. We shall see what we get here, guys. 2 minutes and change to go. All right, fellas, 30 seconds. Let it shake out, guys. Some small buyers coming in. 5 minute. We're looking at it. I like this breakup. We held point of control. Watch this. There we go. Still need that close, guys. Let me just adjust this. There we go. There goes SPY. SPY gets over 450. It's going to rock. Small buyers in that candle. We have 900 net. All right, guys. We may get a small pullback in here. Watch for the short. Here's your short. Short NASDAQ. Short NASDAQ. Target one is 88, 89. Bullshit buyers in here. And 95 is a bit of support. Come on. Come on down. 88, 89, target one. Come on, break down a little further. Let's go. Small sellers. Target one hit and filled. Now it's free trade. Free trade. Hold it. 252 is where I'd like to see this come. Stop is break even. I need this 2-minute bar to close ideally below 88. Back out. Small buyers. They're just working through orders here, but we got the short. Now back, trying to go back up on small buying, couple hundred contracts. Let me look at another chart here. Yeah, I still have us in shorts unless we get through 43, 44. We're still shorts. Losing buyers. Not the open, I thought. ES is long on the bot on the 5-minute. Doing diddly shit. NASDAQ isn't doing much either. NASDAQ, I would be long NASDAQ up at 36, 37. $37 is the long, guys. $37. First target, I'd like to get 51, 50, 51. 37 triggered and failed. Come on, you rat bag. Still a long. Come on. Seriously? Dipshit? ES pushing resistance here if it breaks up. I'm still long NASDAQ here. Hang on, guys. I moved the DOM and it wasn't on the screen. Nice job, Ricky. Come on. Don't you come back here. Let's go. Get above 52. I'm flat. I'm flat, fellas. I'm flat. Up $2,000 on the day. I'm flat. SPX 4520 calls. SPX 4520 calls, 0 DTE. This gets over 50. This thing goes 52. Damn, look at SPX. It's 4509, 4520 SPX calls if you like SPX. Calls 4520s. $640. We're up to, we got 1,400 buyers. NASDAQ, that resistance didn't quite make it. Support's going to be 13 initially, and then 05. We're now holding that 240-minute support. So we got the breakout on the 5-minute bull flag, right? Closed above. It's a 5-minute breakout. ES, if we break 28 ES goes 38. Here comes the breakout. We get above that level. Got to get above 64 and we start working to 89. 64 goes 89. Here comes the daily breakout. Got to get above 64. $65. $1,400 buyers, small sellers in here, guys. We're kind of floating. Still fell in this zone. Small buyers. me take a look on another chart. We're longs, guys. We're long on the 5-minute. It's just floating around in here. Could pull back to 21. Here's your bounce here. Should bounce in this area. Up 9,000, done for the day. Nice job, James. There's your bounce. Weekly support here. Value area high. Building a bull flag on the 2-minute on SPYs at 450, just under 450. 449.96. Some small selling coming in. Got a short on the small time frame. We could pull back to 05 here. Let me go to a 2-minute chart, guys. Still like longs. I have no reason to be short. And we held that 240 trend line again at 15. Really slow price action so far. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. Still like this for a bounce here. 15. Damn it. SPY just broke out. SPY just broke out. Anybody buy SPX 4520 calls? Breaking out. Anybody buy SPX calls? No. There's new day high on the NASDAQ. Here comes the breakout. God damn it. I missed that. Sorry, guys. Apologize for that. All right. On the hourlies, we're pushing a pivot up here. Okay, Floyd. You bought 45 45s for $1. Look at this trade, dudes. There's your SPX. All right, NASDAQ's breaking out. We're breaking into value above. Trend day. Told you we're long on 5 minutes, guys. No bot trades. They're all up in trends. Next target on NASDAQ. Next target on NASDAQ, 88. 88 if you're long. 88. 87. Here comes 87, 88. Going to get a small rejection there, not much. And then we probably push to 97. There we go. There's your target coming. Next target is going to be 90. Come on, SPX, push a little more. Let's go, you rat bag. ES should get to 37. That would be, call it 35. When ES hits 45, 35, take some risk off. Take some risk off. We're now up to 2,700. All right, now where do I want to get long? If you're not long, man, it looks like we're going to get yet another push. Bots are quiet. $2,800 net buyers in the NASDAQ. Do. Let me look at a 2-minute. Need a pullback, fellas. Need a small pullback. We're getting a little toppy. Some sellers, small sellers creeping in. We could pull back, guys, to 43. It's not much selling, but we're trading into some pretty decent resistance up here on the hourly. Yesterday's precipitous fall started with that double top at about 410. So if we crack 410 on the 60-minute, really get above 414, this is going to be a stinking rocket. This goes 5 and change. Bull flag on SPY. Careful with shorts. Let's take a look here. See if we got anybody cracking yet. No size sellers. We are trading into a rising 95. NASDAQ's target's 406. SPX calls are now 910. 910 from 620. You're up 50%, guys. Here comes 406, next level up. 406. SPY, big in the money. If you bought SPYs instead of SPX. This is freaking beautiful. Only one guy bought SPX. Now 950. ES hit 36. I told you guys at 35, start to reduce on SPX. So take some profits, SPX. Can't get a damn bot trade. Excuse me. Doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo, doop-de-doo. Here comes the 406 push. Maybe 405. Can't buy him here, guys. Maybe a pullback to 77. Can't buy him here. If you're not long, sit tight, man. All right, Gene. $3,300, almost 400 net buyers. Wee, baby, wee. There's 404, 405. Now let's see what happens here. Pushing, trying to push through. Next target up above this, guys, is 418. Here comes that 418. Anybody still long? Here comes that 418. If you're not long, don't FOMO the trade. Okay, Jeff. Just be patient, guys. It's a nice job, Randy. Okay, Barbara, ES. There's 18. We're going to 460. Pure straight buying. 4,200. God dang. Straight rip, fellas. Straight rip. $30 minutes straight up. This reverses. It's a long way back. We're at some daily resistance up here. SPX calls now $14. Better than 100%, 125%, 130%. Woo-hoo! This is just. Do. Can't find a seller anywhere, guys. We're at yesterday's high. So we're fading yesterday's high. Get rid of this. Let me see where I can get a pullback bounce to. Let me go to a 60. Ooh, we're not going much higher than 48. I think you can short it here with a 48 stop. We're going to have a hard time here. We broke out on the 240-minute flag. This is an area here that's a problem, up near 48. I bought one back, and I'll probably close this because that's your long. I'm flat. This area should hold. At 21. If that breaks, we could come back to 98. That 60-minute support is back around 98. We're filling in the profile here, so we're going to move probably down to 10. Got some profit taking up here. They've sold back about 800 cars. Overbought on the 5-minute. Nice job, Randy. On MNQs. Nice job. Still some selling. We're above yesterday's hourly trade. I would try this long here at 12 if it comes back there. We're pushing the top of that trend line on the daily up here. So I expect this, it may breach it, but then cool off. You could try a 12 long, maybe 11. Come on, you're going to hold that tiny notch at 16? Seriously? Here comes that 12. So, come on. It's trying to hold. We want it to bounce out of here. It's holding. Down to 3,700. Let me look at another chart. Yeah. $12 held, back up to 22. We're at today's high, opening range high. Could be building another bull flag. Not really. Maybe. If that 5-minute holds with the opening range high here at 25. We're sitting on that hourly break from yesterday. That was our stop yesterday, right? Which was the 60-minute resistance. It's now holding as support right around that 07. $12 is still holding that area. We're overbought on every time frame. Some small buyers back in. Resistance is going to be 22.23. Is there anybody not making money today? Still some selling. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 minutes now. 15 minutes of selling. 5 3-minute bars. It's profit taking up here. Full flag. Ideally above 37, but we're trading right into the high. I'm rebuilding the I need the candle to close. I'm rebuilding the bot guys that I lost. Hopefully this will load without me having to shut down Ninja. It did not, you fucker. No, you missed everything, brother. You missed it. I ain't gonna lie. We're definitely on the slow side here. If NASDAQ breaks below 5, it could start to get hit. It's got to break below 5. There it goes. If this breaks here, it starts to get hit. It broke and came right back up, but I think it's coming. Here, we could pull back to 43 if you guys have the guts to hold a trade. They're selling them pretty aggressively up here. I just don't like being short in that flag. Small, 30 range, I'm short 9, right? But on the 5-minute, hard to be short. But it looks to me, they're selling them pretty aggressive. We're down to 3,200 buyers. 10-minute, we could pull back to 57. Got the short at 11. Guys, give me 1 minute. I think we're breaking down. I mean, we're so close. This thing is hanging on by a thread. Right here is the last area of support, 90. There it goes. Now I think it's cooked. This thing pushes down below that 85, 86 it just came to. We could come all the way back to 43. Look at this. Down and right back up. It doesn't want to die, but I think it's gonna. You son of a gun. Come on, what you gonna do? Come on, what are you gonna do here? It's sitting right at a break. It just doesn't want to break down, but it's sitting right on a major break. Fudge. Won't go up, won't go down. Sitting right on the break, guys. God dang, it hit it like 9 times. That's it, below 90. And this thing dies. Below 90 and it dies. Come on. Natural gas. It doesn't want to break down. It just won't freaking die. But I don't think it's going far, guys. I really don't want longs unless we get really above 24. Short of that, we're down to 2,800 now on the net buying. Held the 9. Another move up, but it won't move. It won't break out of this. Well, let me see where the hell this is. Closed at a loss. Look, fake breakout, fake breakdown, fake breakout again. Man, I think we're coming to 79.80. The only way this goes long is above 21, 22, 23. We are building a bull flag on a 15-minute as well. If this candle, which has 12 and a half minutes left, puts in a slightly lower low. You can try a long off support. Nah, never mind. Let's say 3. Missed it. 95 is the break. This is below that 95. That's where this breaks down. I don't know that it does or does not, but that's the breakdown. So this is the 1 minute, right? If this rolls over, I like that short. Here's support here, 03. You can buy 03 for a bounce. Didn't even hit 03. You scumbag. I did. The 2 and 3 minute are wanting to short, which means nothing. See you, Mark. Guy short is 85. It's an 85 short. Below there. If this breaks down below that line, you are short. Now, if you want to trade it on a 30 range, you can short the close of this candle. You can be short here. You can be short right here, 97. 85 is where this thing gets busted. There it is. There it is. Come on, break down now. Boom, boom, boom. Ah. Coming to 58 if you're short. Boom. This could come all the way back 343. All right, we finally got a trade. Come on. We finally got the short. I told you the 2 and the 3 minute we're looking to break down. And now we're going to get a close on the 5 minute below, so it invalidates. That's invalidated. All right. It's only a bull flag if it breaks up. Who's short, baby? This could be the start of a massive move lower. We're down to 1,800. Who's short? Nobody's short? Guys, everybody should be short. It's why I tell you guys over and over and over and over. Thank you, Stuart. Yes. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade what you see, not what you think. We traded the longs, we killed them. I told you this was the short up here above that red line. I did not think we could get above 48. Okay, I scalped at it. I know it's hard to be short when there's a ton of buying and all kinds of things going on, but I took that trade. I told you on the break of 85. Here, that's your short. That sold 85 down to 06. That's 80 handles. Some of you guys are taking 5 points. It's $1,600 a contract, and you're making $100 or $200. Learn to stay in the trade, and if you're scared shitless, trade micros. Nice job, Michael. I tried to build a new one because I'd have taken that trade, and it won't load till I shut damn Ninja down. Stupid. Next. Yeah, I'm pissed off because I don't have the, I don't. This should come back down to 05. Should come to 05. Come on, breakdown, baby. Breakdown. Come on. Come down to 05. That would be, maybe 06 would be a good entry for a long. There it goes. Nope. Still doesn't want to freaking die. Now we're down to 300 buyers. Come on, just freaking die. 375 net buyers. Look at this shithead. There's nothing there to hold, guys. 90 buyers came in. Come on, 05. Give me 14. Look at this. There's nothing here. It's holding the bottom of a value area, but it can't hold here long. There we go. Come on. Comes to 18. You scumbag. Seriously. We're down to and right back up. Come down to freaking 5. Because that's a long. It'll bounce there. Come on. Break below 19. Below 19. Came to 17. Come on. A little bit more. Oh, shit. Here comes 5. It should come to 5, guys. We're down to 280 contracts. Not flinching. Should come to 5. Some buyers, but it's not going to get above 36. Can't even get through 33. Small buyers here are too damn small to do anything. All right, fellas. I passed 2 evaluations without a burn to earn. Here comes 05. Still doesn't want to give. There's 10, 8. Come on. One more push. 05 target hit. There you go, guys. Finally got that damn target. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. We're done for the day. I hope you all had a good day. I'll see you.